This is the question I'm going to answer. What are the best strategies for optimizing your Google business profile? I'm pretty sure it's no longer called a Google My Business. It is now called a business profile. So here's my suggestions. Number one is make sure your profile is filled out. Make sure it's complete. Make sure your name is spelt right. Your business categories are correct. You want to make sure you've written your description so that it speaks to your target audience, telling them what you do, using keywords and phrases that resonate with them. The more, this is called SEO, the more you use the words and phrases that resonate with your ideal client, your target audience, the more likely your Google business profile will show up in a Google search for them. Make sure that you filled out your contact information, your website. You can add social profiles you want to. Notice I don't have that, so I want to add, LinkedIn. I should have done that. This is new, so add that to it. So I can do my YouTube channel. I can put in YouTube/@TLBurris and save that. That's new. I should have had that in there. You also want your short name so that that shows up. You try to use the same short name everywhere. If you have a location for people to come, make sure all of this is populated as best you can. No idea why current and not approved is there. Make your business hours, special hours, etc., etc. Whatever is relevant, you want to make sure you have that all selected and populated as best as you can. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure you add some images. Make sure it shows up on a map. Make sure that you add photos so that people, photos is something that previously in Google business profiles, I was told by Google business profile consultants who work for Google that the more images you have and the more you keep adding images, the more your content will rank. Additionally, you want to add your products. Put products in here so people can see the kinds of products that you have to offer, your services, etc., etc. Get some people to ask you questions and then answer those questions. Ask your friends, your family or whatever, or your clients, do me a favor, go to my Google profile and ask me questions so that you can answer those questions. I haven't done a good enough job about that. Get reviews. You want to, again, ask for reviews. Get more reviews. You click on that. It brings up, there's the link right there. You can copy that and you can send it to clients, send it to friends, say, do me a favor, please. Specifically send it to people you've done business with so they can answer the review and say, this is what this company did for me. Those are powerful reviews. And by the way, when they write a review, ask them, would you do me a favor? Include these words in the review. My business is LinkedIn training. So I'm going to say, please do me a favor. Use the phrase LinkedIn training, LinkedIn networking, LinkedIn profile when you write the review. Because when you get the right keywords into these reviews, again, this helps rank your profile up higher. The more you manage your Google business profile, the more you will show up in Google searches. And by the way, write a post every now and then. I've been lackadaisical about it. I've got to write more posts. Again, the more content you put on your Google business profile, the more it will rank higher for you to be discovered. It's a work in progress. It's a continual set of activities. It's not put it out there and say I'm done. It's keep using it, keep growing it, keep adding to it. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail dude. I hope this is helpful for you.